Do you want to know how to make money on Fiverr creating whiteboard animation videos? In today's video, we're going to go over the tools that you'll need to start making money creating explainer videos on Fiverr. Welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. I'm Jonathan, and I'm here to help you find the tools to build an income online. New videos go up every week, so make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time that a new video goes live. So first off, what is Fiverr? Fiverr is a gig site where you could do or hire someone to do one-off jobs in all kinds of categories. If you've never heard of Fiverr before, I highly recommend taking a look. So how can you make money using Fiverr? Like I said, there is a bunch of ways to use Fiverr to make money, but one of the simplest ways is to create whiteboard animation videos. You know, those videos that a hand comes out and draws the presentation? There are a lot of different options for whiteboard animation software, but my favorite is called Doodlemaker. Doodlemaker is super newbie friendly and also has a built-in text-to-speech software. You can check out my full review of Doodlemaker right here. So once you have your whiteboard animation software, you're going to want to make some practice videos. Most explainer video softwares, including Doodlemaker, have a training that comes with the software, so it shouldn't be hard to get up to speed. Now that you have a few whiteboard animations as examples, you can create a Fiverr account and create a gig posting. Give your gig a title, select the category, and tags. Go through it step by step, and then create your gig. One thing that I love about Fiverr is they have a training database to help you become successful on the platform. They want you to be successful. As you start to get positive reviews on Fiverr, you'll get more and more gigs. And because it's so easy to make explainer videos with tools like Doodlemaker, you'll be able to complete the gigs fast and move on to the next ones. And do you want to know a little hack? Even though Doodlemaker lets you automatically create the text-to-speech audio tracks, some people will want real voiceovers. And here's the solution. Fiverr. Hire a voiceover artist off of Fiverr. Just make sure that you're charging an extra fee to cover the cost of the voiceover and for your time. And this is a good example of a video that you could do with a software like Doodlemaker and then put it up on Fiverr. And as you can see, this particular seller is making videos like this, and they're charging $175 for 30 seconds. You may not be able to get that right off the bat because you're just getting started, and this person has 766 reviews, which gives them the authority to charge a little bit more. But you can get started on Fiverr and work your way up to this point. Are you going to sell your explainer video services on Fiverr? What's your favorite online side gig? Let us know in the comments. If you got value out of this video, make sure to check out this video next. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.